pushing like a wave. Exhale and inhale. Exhale, inhale. Feel the pressure and the softness at the same time. So it's like not forcing, but there's a relaxed tension there, like you pushing the air forward, then releasing it at the end with a flick of the wrist. Now let's open the arms to open the chest. Go to where it's comfortable. We're not looking for a stretch here. And we'll switch legs and do the pushing wave first. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. You don't have to breathe like that. You can breathe at your own rhythm if you want. Or you can slow the movement down to match your breathing. If you want, you can slow it really down like a turtle. Feeling grounded and steadfast. Now let's open the arms. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. And you'll notice we're shifting from the front foot to the back foot. Lifting the toe slightly as we come back. Okay, bring that energy back to your center. Now let's go through one more, stepping the other foot forward again. And gather to the heavens. This one's a good to boost your mood. Connect with the heavens, the heavenly chi. Again, inhaling up and exhaling back to the earth. Harmonizing the yin and yang. And we'll switch legs, same movement. Remember to shift your weight as you move forward and open your arms. Synchronize. Mind, body, and spirit.